AI Job Apocalypse, Memory Curator, Lifelog Manager. Welcome back. I'm Adeline Atlas, 11-time published author, and this is AI Job Apocalypse, What Gets Replaced, What Gets Reborn. In this series, we're decoding the collapse of old careers and the rise of synthetic age jobs, so you can pivot with purpose, not panic. Today's featured career may sound poetic, but it's deadly practical. It's for those who understand the sacredness of memory, identity, and digital trace. Meet the Memory Curator, also called a Lifelog Manager. This is the person responsible for turning your chaotic, scattered, everyday data into a coherent, accessible, and even beautiful living archive. Something your descendants, your digital twin, or your AI companions can meaningfully interact with. This isn't nostalgia. This is data legacy management in a world where memory is the new currency. And forgetting could mean disappearing entirely. What is a memory curator? A memory curator is part digital historian, part emotional intelligence architect. In a synthetic world, you leave behind more than photo albums or journals. You leave GPS logs, audio clips, emails and DMs, biometric rhythms, browser histories, voice memos, VR experiences, calendar entries, social media content, eye-tracking behavior from XR apps. All of that is you. All of that tells a story. But without curation, it's just noise. The memory curator is the one who sorts, filters, organizes, and structures your life's digital exhaust into meaningful packages. They can create a timeline of your life, complete with visual, audio, and spatial data. Build interactive memory libraries for your children, clone, or avatar to learn you design. Emotionally intelligent scrapbooks for grief processing, celebration, or spiritual inheritance. Distill your data into legacy capsules that represent not just what you did, but who you were. Integrate your life history into AI personas, ensuring continuity after death or through digital transformation. This isn't just backup, it's biographical design for the post-physical era. Who hires a memory curator? Legacy-conscious high performers, entrepreneurs, artists, parents who want their impact preserved beyond their body. End-of-life tech clients, people preparing for the digital afterlife, uploading consciousness, preserving memories for future interactions. Digital twin developers, teams building lifelike AI versions of real people who need memory calibration. Neurodivergent individuals who want structured life logs to aid cognition, therapy, or personal organization. Therapists or spiritual coaches, offering memory archiving as part of grief integration or narrative healing. It's also a rapidly growing add-on service for AI clone engineers, afterlife managers, and identity architects. Core skills required. This job blends tech savvy with soul sensitivity. You'll need information architecture, understanding metadata, tagging, categorization, and organizing nonlinear data. AI familiarity, using tools like Rewind, Mem, or Apple Intelligence to extract and synthesize digital life logs. Emotional intelligence, to discern which memories matter, not just in volume, but in impact. Storytelling and narrative building, to help clients shape a life they can understand and others can remember. Privacy and consent protocol, ensuring ethical data handling, especially when working with posthumous or legacy data. This is a high-trust role. You're not just curating content, you're curating consciousness. Why this role matters. Now most people think memory is in the mind, but increasingly, memory is outsourced. We use cloud photo libraries to remember our kids' faces. We let email threads remind us of deadlines and feelings. We record voice notes because the moment feels too sacred to forget. But data isn't memory until it's curated. Without someone tending to the story, what survives is random. Worse, in a world of synthetic identity, what's uncurated gets overwritten. This is why memory curators are rising in demand. AI clones need coherent backstories. Grieving families want structured digital keepsakes. High-level clients want selective legacies. Not everything, just the right things. Organizations need founders' knowledge archived in emotionally intelligent formats. The synthetic future demands continuity, and memory is the glue. Income potential. This is a premium service industry with emotional value, and that means high-ticket retainers. Memory curators charge for personal archive builds. Think $3K to $25K, depending on complexity, years of data, and interactivity level. Legacy storytelling packages, videos, AI-trained bios, or grief-safe memory capsules. Digital twin calibration, training AI with real memory data with ongoing tuning as the user evolves. Death tech consultation, working with families or estate planners to preserve memories with dignity. Subscription models, ongoing data syncing, cleanup, and updates to keep archives current. The more emotionally meaningful and technologically integrated the memory systems become, the more clients are willing to pay for this role. Industry outlook. This job is part of the longevity economy, the digital soul economy, and the AI identity sector. Think of how many people will be uploading their lives to AI, creating legacy content for after death. Using clones for brand management, preserving emotional blueprints of their past. Memory curation will be essential in tech-integrated wills, Posthumous AI guardianship, relationship repair tools. Imagine rebuilding trust using memory playback. Medical and psychological diagnostics through past data, AI-generated autobiographies or memoirs. And as we stop writing in journals and start living on devices, this job becomes existentially necessary. Hi, I am Adeline Atlas, 11 times published author, and SOS, School of Soul has a brand new series, the AI and Future Technology series. Look, you know the world is changing. And no, it's not going back to normal. Normal is over, and what's coming next is beyond anything we were prepared for. The School of Soul, AI and Future Technology series includes 319 videos on 1. The Download Society, How Data Has Replaced Destiny. 2. Predictive Future. Your next moves aren't random, they're forecasted. 3. Social Credit Systems. The behavioral economy now governs access. 4. Hive Mind. Synthetic telepathy and collective algorithmic control. 5. Nanobots inside you. Medical, military, and programmable intrusions. 6. Grief Tech. AI-fueled digital resurrection and simulated comfort. 7. Uploading your mind, consciousness transfer, and data-based identity. 8. Deep fakes plus AI clones. The replication of reality and identity theft. 9. Quantum humans. The merger of biology with quantum systems. 10. Digital afterlife, where your data goes when you die. 11. Resurrection science, reviving life through synthetic methods. 12. Immortal science, the end of death as we know it. 13. Longevity science, gene editing, anti-aging, and bio-upgrades. 14. Designer babies, engineered perfection before birth. 15. Artificial wombs, birth decoupled from the female body. 16. 3D printing, printing organs, limbs, and even humans. 17. The humanoid era, the rise of synthetic beings among us. 18. Legacy humans, the slow phase-out of unmodified analog people. 19. Smart cities, algorithmic environments that watch and decide. 20. Cloud-based societies, citizenship without borders or bodies. 21. Hackable humans, emotion, memory, and behavior under code. 22. Biometric scanning, your body is your password and your prison. 23. Sex tech, intimacy reprogrammed by machines. 24. Extinction of gender, fluidity, deletion, and design of identity. Every topic is fully explored with real-world technologies, patents, case studies, ethical analysis, and future forecasts. These aren't someday discussions. This is already happening. Join the SOS School of Soul Vault to overstand the future before it's implemented on you.